Effects of dead hang exercise, from stronger grip to better posture. The dead hang exercise is a simple yet highly effective form of isometric training that involves hanging from a horizontal bar with your arms fully extended. While it may seem straightforward, this exercise offers a wide range of benefits that can enhance your overall strength, posture, and even mental well-being. In this video, we will delve into the effects of the dead hang exercise and why you should consider incorporating it into your fitness routine. 1. Improved grip strength. One of the most noticeable benefits of dead hanging is the significant improvement in grip strength. As you hang from the bar, your fingers, hands, and forearms are engaged to support your body weight. Over time, this strengthens the muscles and tendons in these areas, leading to a more powerful grip. Whether you're an athlete, a climber, or simply want to open that stubborn jar of pickles, enhanced grip strength can be incredibly useful in various aspects of daily life. 2. Decompression of the spine. Dead hanging also provides a unique opportunity for spinal decompression. Throughout the day, gravity compresses the spine, leading to discomfort and potential long-term issues. By hanging from a bar, you can temporarily reverse this compression, which may alleviate back pain and promote better spinal health. People with conditions like herniated discs often find relief through regular dead hangs. 3. Improved shoulder mobility. Hanging from a bar naturally stretches and loosens the muscles and joints in your shoulders. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who spend long hours at a desk or have poor posture, as it helps counteract the forward shoulder slump that is common in today's sedentary lifestyle. Enhanced shoulder mobility can lead to reduced risk of injuries and increased ease of movement in daily activities. 4. Core strengthening. Maintaining a stable position while dead hanging requires a strong core. As your body hangs, your abdominal muscles engage to keep you steady. Consistent practice of this exercise can lead to a more robust core, which not only improves your ability to hang but also enhances your overall stability and balance. 5. Mental benefits. The dead hang exercise is not just about physical gains, it can also have positive effects on your mental well-being. Hanging quietly from a bar can be a meditative experience, helping you clear your mind and reduce stress. Additionally, the sense of accomplishment that comes with progressing in this exercise can boost your confidence and motivation in your fitness journey. 6. Enhanced upper body strength. While grip strength and core engagement are the most noticeable benefits, dead hanging also works various upper body muscles, including the lats, traps, and rhomboids. This can lead to improved overall upper body strength, making it a valuable addition to any strength training routine. The dead hang exercise is a deceptively simple yet highly effective workout that offers a multitude of physical and mental benefits. From improving grip strength and posture to decompressing the spine and enhancing upper body strength, this exercise can benefit individuals of all fitness levels. Whether you're looking to enhance your athletic performance, alleviate back pain, or simply add variety to your fitness routine, incorporating dead hangs can be a worthwhile endeavor. Just be sure to start gradually and consult a fitness professional if you have any underlying medical conditions or concerns. Happy hanging! Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more health updates.